In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a shipping address to your AliExpress account. So let's say you just created your account and you need to add a shipping address, or you want to add a new one. Let me show you guys how to do that. Simple and easy. Move to your account. On your interface here, you tap on your account, bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping on that, you can see that there. On your account here, all you need to do is tap on your settings. So you can see that at the top right corner of your screen, just tap on the setting button there. Good. And now you can see profile and then shipping address. Now tap on the shipping address. Good. So now you can add a new shipping address by just adding. Yeah. And then I'm in Ghana, so you can change your country, your region and anything, and you add your address, blah blah blah. After that, you save it, and you can turn this on to set it as a default shipping address. So anytime you pay for something, it will be shipped to that address. So let me leave. I'm not going to add that. This is a new account I created for tutorial. So that's it on how you add your address, a new address on your AliExpress account. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.